Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who have not been watching my videos, my name is Anama Bob TV, and I've made several videos in areas like research and AI, how to create a report card, how to use Microsoft Word, introduction to computer, among others. But today, we are just going to learn a simple thing, that's Microsoft Excel errors. The errors which are commonly happen in Microsoft Excel. There are many errors, but I'm just going to stick on the most common errors which are happening, especially in making result sheets, like value not available, not applicable, division by zero error, among others. So, for instance, I'm going to use an existing document to elaborate. For instance, I have this Excel, this result sheets Excel, and we're going to learn the common errors which are happening here. For instance, let me delete average all. I mark average and I delete all, and you see how it has affected the position because we used average to get the position of the pupil. So how are we going to solve this? For those who are having more computer knowledge, you just press Control Z and it will bring for you everything. But I'm just going to use the real formula for getting average. Let me delete it again. Going to use the formula for getting average. I'll come to here, this green box, it's called active cell. I'll come to active cell and I will say equals to. After pressing equals to, I'll write average. You can see average here. I'll double click on average. You can see how it gets open for me box. So what am I using to get average? So I'm using the marks this paper has got in all the subjects. So I'll start from English up to the last subject, that's CRE stroke IRE. I will drag everything. After that, I have to close the bracket. So what am I using to close the bracket? If you just press the sign for bracket alone, it will not work. So you have to press Shift and you close the bracket. You can see there. After doing that, you press Enter. You can see how I got the average for the first student, first pupil, but there's no need for me to go and type it manually again. I'll just go to first average and right click and I drag everything. You can see here how I corrected this error, and let me try to solve for you the errors of total here. Let me delete total. Try to delete this one by mark. Delete all. So the formula for getting total is supposed to be equals to. Now what am I using to get total? It means I'm using sum. Say sum. And some people can decide to use if. Let's say try it. So if here, let me start from the first. I go to last and I close the bracket. It's already an error. For you to get total, there is no need for you to use other signs other than sum. So for you to correct this error, you delete this formula. You delete everything, including this bracket sign. So you come back to say equals to sum. You double click on sum, you can see there. So you start from the first subject up to the last. Including CRE, you can see here. Press shift and close the bracket, enter. You can see there how I've obtained my first total. So I'll go to it, right click, and I'll drag everything. You can see here. Here are the most common Microsoft Excel errors which I talked of. So there are many. You can go and search on those ones, but these are the most common ones. So thanks for listening. But please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I love you all.